Okay, today's lesson is going to be about teleporting around the model. Beam me up, Scotty style. All right. Okay, so I'm in Plan view right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Manage, and first what I'm going to do is select the room, and then I'm going to go to Manage. I'm going to save this selection to Room 1. Okay, I'll come down here. I'll save that one to Room 2. All right, and in this particular room, I do have a space. Not just a room, but a space. So he does work with spaces too. And we'll call that space 1. All right, and then I have a scope box. I'll save that. Oops. All right, once you've got these saved in your selection sets here, let's say I'm in 3D here, okay? And of course you're gonna have a bigger model than this, but let's say you want to get to Room 1. What you would do is go to Load, select Room 1, create a section box around that. Now, the height of your section box is going to be dictated by the room boundary, the boundary height. All right, so let's change this to, say, Room 2. Okay, oops, do it again. Yeah, make sure you unselect the other one, and then boom. Well, Room 4 actually, sorry. And let's turn everything back on. And let's say we just want to get to section box, or the scope box, all right? And as you can see, we select that, and boom. So, of course, you can create a Dynamo script and, move around the model. You just, get all the rooms in there. But usually I just go from room to room that I'm working in, so once I got the room and I'm done with the room, I usually don't keep it. I usually end up deleting the filters, and how you delete those, go to Edit, and under Selection Filters here, you can just delete anyone you want. So it just helps you from getting from one side to the model to the next really quickly. Another example, let's say, in this particular project, all right, let's say I'm working on, this switch gear here, and what I could do here is I could come in here and say, hey, let's save that and say switch gear, whatever, let's just call it 1, and then let's say it's connected to, let's say this panel board over here, okay, and I'll select that, and then say just panel, 1. And so now if I'm working on those two particular elements inside the project, I can jump back and forth real quickly. All right, so let's load. Now I want to go to switch gear 1, section box. And oops, I had it selected too. Sorry, unselect this section. All right, always remember that. Unselect the last one. All right, there, and then we'll go to the panel board, and I'll load the panel board and a section box around that, and voila. Basically, like I said, you can teleport around the building pretty quickly if you're using the filter sets and using section boxes. All right, until next time.